subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung is reportedly gearing up to launch its new affordable smartphone under M series called Galaxy M11. Recently we saw the Galaxy M11 smartphone spotted on Google Play console website, and now a new leak has surfaced online by YTechB that shows the official renders of the upcoming phone along with some specifications. According to leaks, the Galaxy M11 will support a 6.4-inch HD Plus Infinity O display with a hole punch for selfie camera. Under the hood, the phone will come powered by 1.8 GHz octa-core processor, which is likely going to be Qualcomm Snapdragon 450 chipset as per the Google Play console listing. The device will pack with 3 or 4 GB of RAM and 32 or 64 GB of internal storage, which can also be further expandable up to 512 GB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy M11 will feature a triple camera setup on the rear, which will include a 13MP main camera with f1.8 aperture plus 5MP ultra wide angle lens with f2.2 aperture and a 2MP depth sensor with f2.4 aperture. At the front, there will be 8MP selfie camera under the hole punch with f2.0 aperture. The handset will come equipped by a large 5000 mAh battery that will support 15W charging through a Type-C port. As per the software, the device will run on Android 10 with One UI 2.0 skin on top. Additionally, the smartphone will also support an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication. The leak renders also suggest the phone to come in black, purple and sky blue color options. Now, talking about the pricing. At present, the company has not revealed any detail related to Galaxy M11 smartphone, but depending upon the specs, we expect the smartphone to price under 10,000 rupees in India. So, as of now, that's all we know about the Galaxy M11 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.